Welcome to Technology with Purpose. In today's video, we're going to understand one of the most common confusions in PLC programming, the difference between TON and TOF timers. You'll learn what they do, how they behave in ladder logic, and when to use each one in your automation projects. Let's get started. Here I'm going to use Simatic Manager platform to demonstrate this. Let's first open Simatic Manager and create fresh project. You can use any version of Simatic Manager to try this on your own. Here I am creating new fresh project and select S7300 controller for this project. Also I am going to set CPU setting as is. Now let's select TON timer. On this left hand side of the window, you can see there is tree of functions and libraries. In this tree you will see timer option. Select S_DT, which is nothing but on delay timer, i.e. TON. Before selecting timer, I am selecting memory bit, say M0.0 before timer, so that timer can be triggered. Now I will select timer.time has 4 parameters. First one is TVI timer value, RI. E reset, BI and BCDI remaining timer value integer and BCD. Now I will set number for this timer, say T1. For setting time of this timer there is specific syntax which is S5T hashtag timer value. For example, if I want timer of 10 seconds then TV should be S5T hashtag 10S. Let's set the time for this timer. I have set 10 seconds time for this timer. Now I will turn on simulator for simulating this logic. You can see that I have selected M-bit simulation so that I can simulate M0.0 to turn on this timer. Now also take word for monitoring remaining value of this timer. I have selected MW10 here, as BI is MW10. Now let's switch on M0.0. You can see that when M0.0 is on timer started counting from 100 in MW10. This counting start from 100 and end at 0. This is because time base is 100 milliseconds here. The total time calculation formula is total time in milliseconds equals time base into preset value. In our case, total time equals 1000 into 10 is equal to 10,000 milliseconds, which is equal to 10 seconds. Now you can see that